Hi everyone, this is Adio Richard Philip and welcome to my channel. In this today's video, I will be showing you how to create a business manager account on Facebook in nothing less than 10 minutes. So if it is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to kindly click on the subscribe button so you can be notified anytime we upload new videos. So let's get started. Okay, before thinking of creating a business manager account on Facebook, the first thing you must have is your Facebook account. You must have a Facebook profile, like the account you want to use for the advert. Yes. So this is our profile. This is our profile, the profile we are using for our Facebook to run the advert. So we want to create, you are trying to create a business manager. We have two type of ad account, personal ad account, which is their profile account, and the business manager account. So we are trying to create our business manager account now. So you need to open another browser and click business business.facebook.com. Click business.facebook.com. Business.facebook.com. So then you enter. Okay, so this is what it's going to show you. Don't forget, you are here to create a business manager account. So we click on create an account. So after clicking, it's going to ask for our business and account name. Don't change anything here, that's your profile name. Then you enter your business email. Let me put rich richmond store. Then your business email, enter your mail. They're going to send you code to the mail you entered now for confirmation. So you click on submit. Okay, so like I said, you can see confirm your email address. Click the link sent to Ade Richard Philip to receive full access to the account. So as you can see, like I said, they are going to send a confirmation link to your mail. So let's check our mail so we can confirm. Okay, so you will see something like confirm now. This is how it's going to show. Facebook will send you a message to confirm your account. So this is it. This is the link they sent. Instead of clicking on the confirm now button, I copy the link so I can show you here. So you can see here your email address has been verified. So we are good to go. So by now you can actually create your business manager account easily in not less than 10 minutes. This is the Meta dashboard. You can see under users you have people, partners, system users. This is where you can actually add more people, like add users, you can add people to your account, business manager account. This is where you can actually create your ad account, set up your pixel, custom conversion, your domain, your payment, and everything, your business information. So I think by now you can actually create your business manager account in not less than 10 minutes and get it started. So in our next video, I'll be showing you how to create an ad account, set up your page, and start running advert instantly. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.